Hi, it's Steve from Bosch. I'm here with the guys from Toolstop to talk about the Bosch GSB 12V 35 Combi. It's a combi on the 12 volt platform from Bosch. Typical of a combi, it comes with screw function, rotary drill and impact drill. It's lightweight, it's less than a kilogram in weight, and it's compact, it's less than 17 centimetres front to back. Brushless motor, metal chuck, metal gears. Fantastically versatile tool. 12 volt platform, it has a light to show you how much charge your battery has on the machine. It is the most powerful in its class. Able to drill 10mm masonry. metal and 32mm in wood. The GSB 12V 35, when set up in screwdriver mode, gives you 2 plus 12 torque settings, which will enable you to do fast, accurate screwdriving. This is a Bosch GSB 12V 35 Combi.